What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to take a look at binary coded decimal. Now let's look at the definition first. Binary coded decimal is a system of writing numerals that assigns a 4-digit binary code to each digit 0 through 9 in decimal numerals. Let's write the definition. It is a system of writing numerals that assigns a 4-digit binary code to each digit 0 through 9. In a decimal, decimal is base 10 decimal numerals. Now let's see how to convert the decimal numerals into binary coded decimal. Now let's see 0. Okay, when you do the binary coded decimal, you have to know that the order goes like this: 8, 4, 2, 1. If it's 0, it means nothing is there. It means everything is 0. 0, 0, 0, 0. If it's 1, we have to have 1 or 1th place we have to have 1. Others are going to be 0. 0, 0, 0. And the last one is 1. Here we are going to have 1. And if it's 2, 0, 0, and 2, second place has to have 1, and others has to be 0. So this is 2. 3, we know we need a 2 and a 1. So 0, 0, 1, 1. We have to have a 2 and a 1 to have 3. And for 4, 0, 1, 1, 4, others are 0. And for 5, 0, we had to have a 4, and also we had to have a 1. 0, 1, 0, 1. And 6, we had to have a 4 and a 2. So this is 0, 1, 1, 0. And for 7, we had to have a 4 and a 3, 4, 2, 1. So that gives us 7. So this is going to be 0, 1, 1, 1. And 8, we had to have just 1, 8. So 0, actually 1, this one is 1, because in the 8th place we had to have 1. Others are going to be 0. And if it's 9, we had to have an 8 and a 1. So this is going to be 1, 0, 0, 1. And that's how we write the binary coded decimal for decimal numbers. Now if we have a number that is larger than 9, then we have to assign binary coded decimal for each digits. Now let's see how to do that. Let's write the theory here. Number that is larger than 9, that is larger than 9, having 2 or more digits, 2 or more digits in decimal system are expressed digit by digit. Expressed digit by digit. Now let's see an example of that. Here I'm going to write the example. Here we are going to see the BCD representation of, let's say, 1895. So for this one, what we are going to do, we are going to pick up this 1 alone. For 1, what is the binary coded decimal? 0, 0, 0, 1. So this is 0, 0, 0, 1. And for 8, what is the binary coded decimal? We have to have an 8, others are going to be 0. So this is going to be just 1, 0, 0, 0. And for 9, we had to have a 8, and also we had to have 1. So this is going to be 1, 0, 0, 1. And for 5, we are going to have a 4, and also we had to have a 1. So this is going to be just 0, 1, 0, 1. And this is the binary coded decimal representation of this decimal number, and that's how we do this kind of problems. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to learn digital logic design 2, There are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.